Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to create a barcode scanning app using .NET Multi-Platform App UI MAUI and IronBARCODE. So in Visual Studio I've created a .NET MAUI cross-platform app for this task, and you'll need to have a .NET MAUI development workload to create this application. And you can download it and install it in Visual Studio from Get Tools and Features under Tools menu. I've already installed it. So the next thing that we need is the IronBARCODE library to scan barcodes in our MAUI app. And I've already installed the IronBARCODE library via the NuGet Package Manager. And you can download the latest version by browsing through the NuGet Package Manager. So we're going to start by having a look at the XAML code in mainpage.xaml, and this is the user interface layout for our barcode scanner app. So we have a scroll view that allows us to scroll through the content if it overflows, and inside the scroll view there's a vertical stack layout which arranges its child elements vertically. And the stack layout can be formatted using different properties available. I've set the spacing and padding between the elements along with the vertical alignment. The first element is a button which allows the user to select an image containing a barcode. And the clicked property triggers the select barcode method in mainpage.xmal.cs file for loading and scanning barcode images. Next, we have an image tag to display the selected barcode image. And an editor named output text is provided for displaying the decoded barcode text. Finally, we've got another button which allows the user to copy the text from the editor to the clipboard with the clicked event copy editor text. So now let's move into the C# code in mainpage.xaml where we handle the button clicks and perform the actual barcode scanning. So the first method is select barcode, which is triggered when the image select button is clicked. We use the file picker to allow the user to select an image file. And in this code, we restrict the selection to image files. Once an image is selected, we display it in the barcode image element, and then use IronBARCODE to read the barcode from the selected image. And the result is displayed in the output text editor. And the second method, copy editor text, is triggered when the copy text button is clicked. This method uses the clipboard class to copy the text from output text editor to the clipboard, and it displays a success alert to the user. So let's run this project and wait for the processing to be complete. Here we go. We have our MAUI form with the controls we added in mainpage.xaml. I've placed some barcodes in a folder, so using the select barcode button, we can open them one by one and extract the text using IronBARCODE. So let's open the Aztec type barcode for scanning. IronBARCODE can simply accept any kind of barcode, and as you can see, it displays the text behind it efficiently. And similarly, we can open other barcode types and it will display the text within seconds. By clicking on the copy text button, we can copy the text. So there you go, we have successfully copied the text as well for further processing. IronBARCODE is a versatile library designed to work with different .NET environments efficiently, and it's perfectly integrated with .NET MAUI. The possibilities are endless, so explore more with IronBARCODE. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with Iron PDF, please sign up for a free trial on our site. Then you can go ahead and download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand.